Hello folks, Waz here from B&B, and today we have a T6 in for the top of the range Kenwood. This is a 10-inch screen which they launched last year with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless. This one actually has built-in nav as well. So ideally, I'm not going to set this bit up because I'm going to wait for the customer, but you have options of truck, automobile, RV. So when your Wi-Fi drops out, or if you're in an obscure area, you've still got built-in nav to play with. And then you've got your normal Apple CarPlay and your maps and so forth. We've also integrated the steering wheel buttons. We've used the Kenwood Pro fitting kit, which retains everything, and the reverse camera is there as well, which was there from before, which we've retained from the factory unit. Overall, brilliant bit of kit. If you're interested, get in touch. Waz, B&B Audio Concepts, 02920 707 275, part of the Kenwood Pro scheme. Thank you very much.